Assalamu alaikum. Hello students, welcome to our channel BS to Maths. In the previous video, we have solved question number 5 and 6 from the exercise 1.1. In this video, we'll solve the 7th question from the exercise 1.1. Here is the question is, let A is equal to the set of all natural numbers less than 8. Set of all natural numbers less than 8. Okay, less than 8. Set B is the set of all prime numbers less than 8. Here prime numbers, okay, here natural numbers. Set C is the set of even prime number. So we have to verify these two conditions. Solution. First we'll write the A, B and C sets in roster form. So A set is natural number starts from 1. So we have to write less than 8 up to less than 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Less than 8. So I have written up to 7. Now set B. You know about prime numbers, right? So less than 8. 1 is neither prime nor composite number. So 2 is a prime number. 3 is also a prime number. 4 is a composite number. 5 is prime number. 6 is also a composite number. 7 is a prime number. So less than 8 we have prime numbers as 2, 3, 5, 7. The C set is the set of even prime numbers. Even prime number is only one, that is 2. All the other even numbers are composite numbers. So now we'll solve the first condition. The first condition here is A intersection B cross C is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. So first we'll take the left hand side. Left hand side we have A intersection B cross C. First we'll solve A intersection B. So A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Intersection B set is 2, 3, 5, 7. Here we have intersection. So common elements in these two sets. 2 we have, 3, 4 no, 5 we have, 6 we don't have, 7 we have. So A intersection B is 2, 3, 5, 7. Now A intersection B cross C we need to find. So A intersection B 2, 3, 5, 7 cross C set is 2. So take 2 from the first set and pair with the other set element. So 2 comma 2, then 3 comma 2, then 5 comma 2 and finally 7 comma 2. Left hand side is over. Take this as equation number 1. Now we'll go for the right side. Right side we have A cross C intersection B cross C. First we'll find out A cross C. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross C set is 2. So 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 2, 5 comma 2, 6 comma 2 and 7 comma 2. This is A cross C. Now we'll find out B cross C. B set is 2, 3, 5, 7. Cross C set is 2. So 2 comma 2, 3 comma 2, 5 comma 2 and 7 comma 2. This is B cross C. Now we'll find out A cross C. intersection B cross C. So what are the common elements we have in these two sets? 1 comma 2 we don't have, 2 comma 2 we have, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 2 we don't have, 5 comma 2 we have, 5 comma 2, 6 comma 2 we don't have, and 7 comma 2 we have. So right hand side is over, take this as equation number 2. Now you see equation 1 and 2 both are equal. Therefore we can say that equation 1 and 2 both are equal. So the condition A intersection B cross C is equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. Hence verified. Now we'll solve the second subdivision from the seventh question. Here we have A cross B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. I have written A, B and C sets. So first we'll solve the left hand side. Left hand side is A cross B minus C. First we'll find out B minus C. So B set is 2, 3, 5, 7 minus C set is 2. What is minus? Strike out the common elements using pencil. Then what is remaining in the first set? That is the answer. So 3, 5, 7 is the remaining in the first set. So that is the answer. Now A cross B minus C. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross B minus C is 3, 5, 7. So now the 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 7, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 7, like this. 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 7, then 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 7, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 5, then 5 comma 7, then 6 comma 3, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 7, then 7 comma 3, 7 comma 5, then finally 7 comma 7. Left hand side is over, take this as equation number 1. Now we'll go for the right hand side. Right hand side we have A cross B minus A cross C. We'll find out A cross B. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. B set is 2, 3, 5, 7. So 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 7. Now take element 2 from the first set and pair with the other set elements. So 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 7. Now 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 7. Then 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 7. Then 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 7. Then 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 7, then 7, 7 comma 2, 7 comma 3, 7 comma 5, and finally 7 comma 7. Now we'll find out A cross C. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and C set is 2. So 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 2, 5 comma 2, 6 comma 2, and 7 comma 2. Here we see A cross B minus A cross C. So cancel the common elements using pencil. That will be easy. 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 2, 5 comma 2, 6 comma 2, 7 comma 2. And the remaining elements in the first set is the answer. So the answer for the A cross B minus A cross C is 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 7. So 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 7, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 7, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 7, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 7, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 7, 7 comma 3, 7 comma 5, 7 comma 7. So right hand side is over. Take this as equation number 2. If you see equation 1 and 2 both are equal, therefore equation 1 is equal to equation 2. Therefore we can say that A cross B minus C is equal to A cross B minus A cross C. Hence verified. Thank you for watching this.